Once again, welcome back to my channel, and I hope you're doing well. Latest crochet pillow cushion covers. Creating crochet pillow cushion covers can add cozy and personalized touch to your home decor. Here's a simple pattern to get you started and different crochet hooks, styles, and beautiful ideas. So I hope you like it, like different style and designs, like different colors and different shapes, round shape, and like color combination, rainbow, layer by layer, rainbow color combination, and like flower looks creative, different shapes like smiley and eyes. It's so this look is very beautiful and latest.